So about a month ago, I treated myself to another Gaahleri airbrush because I'm so impressed. I've gone really well with the GAD39, which is a little bit of an entry-level airbrush by them. So I've treated myself to a Möbius Premium Series airbrush. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Roll credits. So what we've got here is the branded inner box that this comes in. When it arrived, there was another box that this box was in, which is, let me show you. That was this, and it was packaged in that. But obviously, I'm not going to keep putting it all the way back into two boxes after I've done using it. So, and both of those boxes were in the box it actually arrived in. So it's for a kickoff. It's coming very well packaged, believe you me. So I've got the Premium Series 0.2mm dual action Möbius. There's a Gaahleri branding on both sides and the same writing on the long sides. So let's open this. I have opened this to have a look. You won't believe it because it's, oh, there we go. That box that's quite a chunky box. So of course you get, let me just move it out of the way, the inside of the box, and this almost feels like plastic rather than cardboard, I have to say. The GAD39 came in a similar box as well. So we have a full parts breakdown of this airbrush, which is always nice if you ever have to do maintenance. But I would say, judging by the other one I've got, it's just cleaning. You'd never really have to pull it apart to this degree, but it's nice to have everything labelled and pointed out for you in a full parts breakdown if you do ever need anything. So we'll put that to one side, and is this open? No. Here's the Gaahleri promise, if it will focus. Why won't that focus? I'll read it. Each Gaahleri airbrush, I bet you can see it now. Each Gaahleri airbrush undergoes a series of stringent tests before leaving the factory to ensure it meets our high standards in all aspects. If you find an actual issue with the product, there's no need to return us. Simply contact us to confirm the problem and we'll arrange for a reshipment. I'll be honest, I don't know if that means they'll send you another airbrush, but to be fair to Gaahleri, the product is a really good product, and it would have to be something pretty catastrophic to affect it. Now you have the quick start guide, which is in, what is that? That's in French and Italian. I'm guessing Spanish. I wish I had to just open this. It's huge. It's like an old style map. But there you go. There's the English parts. Just shows you how to get the thing running, what all the controls do, possible issues with your paint, if it's too thick, you're right, too thin, assembling order, taking the needle out and the cap and the nozzle, that's for cleaning. The other thing is, I've just noticed, is that it says there, the quick connect. Oh, okay, yeah, I've already got one on my airline. That will come with the airbrush. It's already fitted. The quick disconnect top cap, I can show you because I've already got me GAD39. Is that part, and then to sort of airbrush, you just pop that out, and it's also got a mag valve on there. So yeah, it's pressurized. That's why it's a bit tricky. A bit of pressure makes it a little bit more tricky to undo. So there's your instructions. Put those to one side. A little plastic bag with O-rings and seals, which is always appreciated. And now we get to the good stuff. What's in here? More foam packaging, and it's upside down. And here we are, the Möbius 0.2, which is a very good looking airbrush. They all come with these plastic protectors over the needle end. We've got a mag valve, air supply, trigger, which feels very nice. There's the trigger pull limiter. It's a good weight, and I can't get this out. A fluid cup, which really actually doesn't want to come out. And it does. And I just realised when I was doing that, on the bottom there's a close-up photo of the end of the airbrush, information about the airbrush as well, all the brand, company name, and more information, and its barcode and serial number. So I'll put that there. As I say, that is ever so smooth, and it does feel nice. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the instructions. Now I can't find the English version. Section 8. Add the lube. So I'm going to do that off camera. In fact, I might not bother. It says lubrication is not mandatory but recommended only if the airbrush starts to feel jammed, and that feels anything but jammed. So I'm going to leave that be. I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to grab the Halifax kit that I'm making a video on at the same time as this, and put some paint on it, and I'll explain more in a minute. But doesn't that look lovely and shiny under these lights? Right, here we go. If I've done this right, you should be seeing somewhat of a close-up version of the same video. So I've set my phone up to zoom in a little bit more than the main camera, and I've charged up this airbrush with some Tamiya Grey XF20, and let's just see what happens. Ooh. Oops. And we're off. So what I'm attempting to do is, I think there's too much. That's, you can't see, that's a very responsive mag valve. Now obviously this is my first time using this, so compressor kicks in. So I am messing about a bit to balance the air and the paint feed. I may have this paint a little bit too thin. But there we go. Okay, so you can see what we've achieved. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop this video here. This is the I don't think I had the I don't think I had that fixed on properly. So yes, this is the Möbius 0.2 by Gaahleri, and it's a really nice airbrush. And I can hear, is it? Something somewhere is leaking. Let's see. So yes, very happy with this. I'm going to stop this video here because this is the end of the airbrush video, but it's going to continue on into the Halifax video. And there we go. Doesn't that look cool? I've just had a lot of fun using this because as you can see, it's giving me, it's a nice tight spray pattern, and it didn't have to be super accurate because of what I'm doing. So it's a good way to sort of introduce myself to this airbrush, which is very nice indeed. So I'm going to clean it out, put another colour in, have another go at this, and there we go. And that is the Gaahleri Premium Möbius 0.2 airbrush, and it gets a thumbs up from Phil. If you enjoyed the videos you've just watched, here's another video you might want to watch, a playlist you might want to watch also, and please don't forget to, if you have enjoyed it, leave me a like and maybe a subscribe. I would much appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.